I live near Seattle and official. I got a peaceful, easy-feeling bird shirt. I drove through CHOP. Official. I got a peaceful, easy-feeling bird shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. Wow, all the way to Australia? I live in Seattle and official. I got a peaceful, easy-feeling bird shirt. CHOP was way overblown by the media. It was just a couple blocks in a large, popular, and already busy neighborhood. It has made me feel pretty helpless tbh because more people will trust the media's portrayal. The cops ran away from their building expecting the protesters to burn it, so the cops would be justified in their use of force. Instead, the protesters created an occupied zone, the op in CHOP, and planted a garden in the cops' yard. And that was pretty much it. Other products.